Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to your channel name, your go-to source for the latest in cryptocurrency news and updates. Today we've got something truly groundbreaking to discuss. Coinbase has officially launched its very own smart wallet, and it's set to revolutionize the way we interact with the crypto market. Stick around to learn all about the exciting features and why this could be a game changer. So what makes the Coinbase Smart Wallet so special? For starters, it's all about enhanced simplicity and ease of use. Coinbase has introduced a gasless on-chain experience, which means no more complex steps or expensive fees typically associated with on-chain transactions. Imagine onboarding to the blockchain being as easy as signing into your favorite website. That's the level of convenience we're talking about, Ion. The wallet introduces a passkey system and seamless web portal connection, simplifying your DeFi participation. Multi-chain support. At launch, the wallet supports multiple networks, including Base, Ethereum, Optimism, Arbitrum, Polygon, Avalanche, BNB, and Zora. These features are designed to make the Coinbase Smart Wallet not only user-friendly, but also incredibly efficient. This launch is a significant milestone for the crypto industry. It marks a shift towards more accessible and user-friendly solutions, eliminating the slow and expensive processes we've had to deal with in the past. By making these changes, Coinbase is aiming to onboard a vast number of new users, potentially transforming the landscape of cryptocurrency adoption. So there you have it. The Coinbase Smart Wallet is here, and it's set to change the game. If you're excited about this new development and want to stay updated with more such revolutionary crypto news, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.